Hello everybody, welcome for another unboxing showing of the shoes that I have. Again, this is going to be a Fluevog one, and this is from the 50 years, so gosh, 2020. So I've had them for 5 years. Holy guacamole. Can't have had them 5 years. I'll have a look inside, see if I can find the receipt. But these ones are in a black box, not the traditional blue. And these are the cubist cupcakes in Talia Soft. They're 10.5 or 40.5, and they are white snakeskin, actually, blanco. Let me have a look and I will pull them out for you, but I'll see if I can find the receipt first. Hold on a second. Well, I don't seem to have the receipt in here, but this is the inside of the box with John Fluevog all over them. And this is the thank you for buying the new Fluevogs, and it was from the Fluevog post from 2020. So I'm pretty sure to say these are 2020s. It came with a shoe bag, as usual, and these are packed with the stuffing in the toe and plastic bags to keep the body of the shoe sorted and stiff and supported. That's what I was trying to say, supported. The paper this time is plain paper instead of the shoe paper, but the box is really quite groovy, I think. Let me pull them out and I will show you, because I've already pulled them out, but let me get them in the right spot for you. And here they are, in all their outrageously high-heeled glory. So they're part of the Swordfish collection. Now they've got the toe bump, but they're also a cubist cupcake because they have the cube style heel. Although if you have a look at the heel, it's rounded, it's just cubed from the side. There's the shape. And the sole says Swordfish, stay sharp. Beautiful stitching work there. Ten and a halves. There's the signature, the John Fluevog symbol on the bottom of the shoe. There we go. And this is what they look like. So they're not real snakeskin. They've been patterned to look like snakeskin. Or crocodile skin. I'm not 100% sure. It comes with a metal roller just there, and the lacing goes all the way up to the top, but not quite up to the top. It actually stops naturally there. Then it has a strap which goes around and actually goes for either side. So it goes from the zip around to that there, a little bit of elastic. It has this absolutely dang gorgeous ankle curve, I think, but there's no platform to them at all. So this height of heel, which is the length of my finger, which I think is about 3 or 4 inches, is the height of the shoe. So they are a high heel shoe, or boot actually. And I find that I can wear them for short periods of time, but not for long periods, because I don't usually wear heeled shoes or boots. so I'm just not used to them. They have a zip down the inside. There we go. With a ring pull there. They're very comfortable to wear. I mean, for such a high heel, which I know for some people this is not high, but for me it is. For if someone wears flats usually, this is a high heel. They're really comfortable, and I think that's because of the width of the cube of heel that they have in them. Fully lined, as usual. There's the sizing. It'll focus. There we go. Fabric on Portugal. There's the tongue. The tongue is just plain white leather. And then you have this embossed leather to make it look like crocodile skin or snake skin. I think it's crocodile. Snake skin is usually hexes, I think. So I think this is crocodile. But has the glorious toe bump and the snipped off wedged heel, toe. So let me put it on something. There we go. There you go. You can see that there. So because they're laced up and because of the big chunky heel, these are actually incredibly comfortable to wear. Just because of my experience and my weak ankles, I'm not the most confident in wearing them for long periods of time. But I do love them. Oh my gosh, I do love them. As you can tell, they've not been worn very much. That's the left foot. This is the right one. It's the same. There's no... Oh, there we go. That one still has its little sticker showing that it's leather. So, but yeah, let me put them on and I'll show you what they look like on my feet. Well, on my legs. On me. Shall I do that? Oh, and of course, the buckle says Fluevog. Of course it does. But because it's such a soft leather, they are really comfortable once they're on the shoe. Once they're on my feet. Oh, hold on, I'll put them on. And here they are on my feet, on my legs. My pale, slightly hairy legs. Because I don't shave them. But anyway, there they are on my feet. So you can see where they come up to. Low calf. And they fit really nicely on the ankle. But they're sort of loose at the top. So they're very comfortable to wear. I do love them. I wish I could wear them more often. I wish I had the skill to wear heels. All of you people that wear heels on a daily basis, especially people that can actually dance in them, oh my gosh, you are so talented. But there we are. There are my latest, well not latest, but another pair of my Fluevogs. I hope you enjoyed this. And here's a bit of colour. This is my one pair of white shoes, or boots. One pair of white ones. And yeah, I've had them for 5 years. So that's longer than I expected. I've got one little smudge just there where I've tapped my heel from my other shoe, or the other foot, onto the heel there, and that's my own walking problem. But other than that, that's them. Try and get the laces even. There we go. That's better. And there we are. And you can see the metal ring detail at the bottom. I think it's just for decoration. And there we are. There we have it. So until next time, love yourself, love your feet, and be kind to each other. And be kind to yourself as well. Okay, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye 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 bye.